Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the travel reward that has been offered by American Express. Now, American Express offers a variety of travel reward and benefit across the range of credit cards. These specific travel reward and benefit available to cash holder may vary depending on the types of card they have. Here's the common steps. First of all, they offer membership reward point. That is, many American Express card earn membership reward point on eligible purchase as well. To know about it in further details, you could go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, you could go ahead and type americanexpress.com/travel credit card. And here you should be able to find a list of credit card that's available for travel and all that. And accordingly, they have also mentioned about the reward and benefit about regarding the following card. And likewise, they also have airline free credit, airport lounge access, travel insurance, hotel benefits, global assistance, and other services as well. So these are some of the travel reward offered by American Express. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.